Good morning students. In today's class we are going to see about the writing junction. In poem 4 we are going to see about the writing junction. So in the previous classes I have taught you the verbs, right? So I have told what are the points that you have to keep in the mind. I have told 2 points now. What are the points? Can you remember that? So I will say no. I will say that, okay. First one, so for he, she, it and singular noun, we add s or es to the verb, okay. For the he, she, it and for the singular noun, we will be using a verb s or es. Then next point is we don't add anything to the verbs with I, you, we, they, and for the plural noun, we no need to add anything to the verb. These are the 2 points you have to remember in the mind, okay. So with that you have to do the exercise one, okay. First one, see this picture. So take a look at what Nita does every day. Describe her routines using s or es with the verb. One is done for you, okay. So here the Nita a daily routine is given. So what you have to do means you have to write the verb. So with the verb you have to add s or es to the verb. The first one that has been done for you. See here. See this picture. The Nita wakes up at 7 a.m. Okay, he wakes up at 7 a.m. Here what is the verb? So here the verb is wake. So to the verb you have to add yes or es. Already here e is the, have to add only yes to this. Nita wakes up at 7 a.m. So to the verb you have to add yes, okay. Nita wakes up 7 a.m. Okay. So this is an example that has been done for you. Next 4 pictures you have to do. Now see the rest of the picture here. So Nita, what does she is doing? She is doing an exercise, okay. How we can write that in a sentence? How we can write? So we can write Nita exercises for an hour. Nita exercises for an hour, okay. Nita, what does she is doing? She is doing an exercise, okay. Nita exercises. So exercise is the verb. You have to add yes to the verb. So okay, exercises. We are adding yes, okay. Exercises. So this is a verb, okay. Exercises for an hour. So Nita exercises for an hour, okay. See the next picture. What she is doing? She is brushing her teeth, okay. How we can write the sentences? So we can write Nita brushes her teeth before taking bath. See the next picture. She is bathing. So before bathing she brushes her teeth, okay. This is a meaning of the sentences. So the how we can write means Nita. So what she is doing? She is brushing her teeth, okay. So brush is the verb, okay. Nita brush is the verb, brushes. We have to add es to the verb, okay. Es. So brushes is the verb here. Brushes is the verb here. To the verb you have to add es. So Nita brushes her teeth before taking a bath. So before taking a bath she brushes her teeth. So this is the first one. This is the second one. Nita brushes her teeth before taking bath. So brushes is the verb here. So I have to add verb es. Then see the third one. What she is doing? She is bathing, okay. So how we can write? Nita takes a bath before going to school, okay. She takes bath before she go to schools, okay. Third one, Nita take. So take is the verb here. So to the verb you have to add yes, okay. Takes. yes alone. Okay, takes is the verb here. Takes a bath before going to school. Before going to school. So Nita take a bath before going to school. Here takes is the verb here. To the verb we have to add yes. Okay. And then see the fourth picture. She is eating a breakfast. Okay. So how we can write? Nita eats breakfast after taking a bath. So see the picture. So before after taking the bath she eats the breakfast. Okay. After she takes the bath she has eaten the breakfast. Okay. Nita eats. So eat is the verb here. To the verb you have to add yes. Okay. Yes. So eats. Nita eats breakfast after taking the bath. After taking the bath only she has eaten the breakfast. After taking a bath. So after taking bath only Nita eats the breakfast. Okay. Students, have you clear with this? First one, Nita exercises for an hour. So here exercise is one verb. Here to the verb you have to add yes. Okay. The next one, Nita brushes her teeth before taking a bath. So here brush is the verb here. To the verb you have to add es. So brushes. The next one, Nita takes a bath before going to school. So here take is the verb here. To the verb you have to add yes. So the verb is takes. The next one, Nita eats breakfast after taking a bath. Here the verb is eat. To the verb you have to add yes. So the verb is eats. Okay. Nita eats breakfast after taking a bath. Okay. Students, have you all understand this? Copy this in your notebook. Thank you.